Gotta go. Heavy ass backpack on. Can't run that fast. Make sure my tires are aired up. Yeah, they're good. Oh, push check. It's Christmas Eve. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Kinda in a rush, gotta head to my mom's to go celebrate Christmas with her and the family, cause she unfortunately works on Christmas Day. Oh yeah, it feels amazing today. 70 degrees on a Christmas day, or well, Christmas Eve. But yeah. Oh, I'm full on gas too. Nice. I don't need to get gas. I can just go straight there. But even though it's 70 degrees, it's still winter time, so that air is not hot. It's just feels good. What's up, man? How's it going, brother? Let's see if I can get a wheelie done for him. That was a better one. Not much better, but better. Oh, the question is, do you rip a wheelie past the state trooper? Hell no. I don't know who that was, like, yelling at me. They must know me. But, yeah. Ripped a couple wheelies for them. Hopefully they saw it. Alrighty. We are back at home. My hometown. Gonna go do, like I said earlier, oh shit. Man. Do Christmas today, even though it's Christmas Eve. And then tomorrow, I'm pretty much free, so I'm gonna be throwing up some Christmas wheelies. So fun, it's so fun. One more before I hit this turn. Oh yeah. One of my really good friends' house real quick. I gotta drop something off with him. Let's see if I can hit this second gear wheelie real quick though. Jesus Christ, I am fucking ass at wheelies. Woo, hit a little bump. Gravel right there. I have to be careful. Dude, gravel on a motorcycle is no fucking joke, man. I'm just trying to slowly turn over it, and it's like, it might make you fall. I just hope I don't fucking wipe out when I get to my fucking mom's driveway, bro. What is going on, everybody? Merry Christmas. Even though this video is probably going up late. Gonna get some wheelies in. Got my good buddy, the Beat OG, to drop me some more music for the wheelies. And gonna run a couple errands before I do wheelies though. Like retighten the chain. And oh shit. Should be good. Also, today pretty much marks a year that I've been riding. So it's pretty awesome that I've been riding for a year. Now I haven't had this bike for a year, but thankfully my brother introduced me to motorcycles, and it's pretty much been just about a year, a little over a year maybe, since I started riding. Oh fuck these tar snakes. And it's pretty great. Like I said, I've only had this bike for about 8 months, I think. 8-9 months. My brother was letting me ride around on his Z125 and his MT07 when he had it. Pretty awesome. 1 year down, many more to go. It's a lifestyle you never give up right here. You know, a lot of people say that your first year of riding will be the scariest. I don't know. I feel like if you're, you know, if you're a driver, just a regular driver like these cars, if you're defensive, I feel like that'll carry over quite well, if not more, to being on a motorcycle, because, you know, you're out here on the elements. You know, you want to always be on the lookout for shit. I'm always looking at people, you know, even though the light's red, you know, still check out what people are doing. Always check behind you. And when you go, you know, normally you would wait a while, like a good second before you went, but nobody was really coming, so it's okay. You know, always looking. But yeah, I mean, if you're like that as a driver, you'll be like that as a motorcyclist, and I feel like that makes the whole first 6 months to a year process of being a motorcycle rider a lot easier. Just because, you know, you're not being a fucking dumbass. Now, yes, if you have a, you know, pretty powerful motorcycle, yeah, you can hoon around. But if you're a good driver and, you know, take your motorcycle class, I feel like you'll be a good motorcycle rider, and everything will be okay. They say you will drop your bike more than likely. You'll either drop it or lay it over. I've laid this thing over like in parking lot situations before. Now, granted, I've also dumped the bike at 15 miles an hour. Luckily, it didn't slide anywhere. It just stopped dead in its tracks whenever it hit the ground. So I got lucky on that one. 1 year of riding has been amazing. That's a max race pass for you. Getting better, getting better. Oh, they're getting better, getting better. Alrighty. Done with the whole chain thing. Decided to take a quick break to eat as well. I'm gonna head to my little wheelie spot here in my hometown. Try to practice some wheelies. That way I can put this Beat OG music to good use. Oh! Okay. Oh, I got it up there. It's just scary. It's scary because I'm standing up on the bike, but at the same time, it feels I feel a lot more in control of the bike and what it wants to do when I'm doing I say stand-ups, I'm not really standing up, the staggereds. Oh, fuck. Came back too far. Oh, I got up. Damn. I'm like this close. Oh. tell you how many times I've fucking hit my knee right here so far. I just don't know how people do staggers with their fucking, like with their knee and shit like this. I don't know how the fuck you do that. I feel so... Oh, never mind. I get it. Totally get it. Never mind. What a way to end Christmas and Wheelie Wednesday at the same time. Cause it's fucking Wednesday, folks. Oh, come on, Enrique. You can do better than that. Damn it, man. Wow. I am fucking garbage. One more good one. I wanted to end it off on a good note. One good one. That's all I need. One good one. We'll call it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank y'all for watching, sticking around with my stunt progress. We're gonna call it there. My battery's about to die. There's not much more I can do other than to just get my cages, become more confident once I get more protection on the bike. And yeah, it'll be on from there, ladies and gentlemen. But thank y'all, and y'all have a wonderful day.